Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Divyanshi and welcome to another brand new video. Like I'm gonna be telling you everything, the price and the benefits, the disadvantages and everything that you need to know about it. So guys, the Arjuna NEET 2025 batch is for 11th graders, okay? And if you want, you can buy the Arjuna batch and the Lakshya batch. Lakshya is for 12th graders altogether. I personally just purchased the Arjuna NEET 2025 for right now, and when my 11th will be over, I'll obviously purchase the 12th one as well. But if you want, you can purchase both of them at a place. So many of my friends have done that too. But okay, coming to the point. When did this batch start? So it started on 8th of April, and it's almost going to be a month since the classes are continuing. And guys, trust me, if you haven't joined the batch till now and you're looking forward to join it right now, don't hesitate. It's not like you have missed on a lot of stuff. It's just that you will have to pay a lot of your time to recover all the backlogs, since there are indeed a massive amount of backlog if you have not purchased it till now. But it's still not a total loss, since the Arjuna batch, which is there, is divided into 4 sections. Well guys, let me tell you the different batches that comes under Arjuna NEET batch, okay? So the very first one will be 2.0 and 3.0 and then 4.0. All of these batch will start separately with respect to their times, like the dates on which they will release, and they will end also late as compared to the original batch, the first batch of Arjuna. Right now, if you are a person who will not be able to cover so much of the backlogs, then I'll suggest you to attend the classes from 27th May, and that's the day when 2.0 will start. And from that time, you need to be regular to yourself. I will never suggest anyone to start from 3.0 or 4.0. It's for like the extreme situation. And I will suggest you to utilize 3.0s and 4.0s as your revision of, batches. Not like you are starting from September. That is like a, kind of like problematic situation. If you have access, then you can purchase it right now also. And guys, in 2.0, separate teachers will be, so you will also get a benefit that you can learn a same thing from 4 different kind of teachers. Because see, if I have started it since like the first class, I have not taken any absency till now. Touch wood, I don't want to be absent. I don't want any backlogs to be created, because backlogs are like really tension kind of situation, okay? Even for those who have actually missed on a lot of stuffs and they are going to start off late. Now the faculty, amazing faculty. I always appreciate physics wala's faculty, because literally I don't know from where they find so many amazing teachers, but for each and every subject you have amazing teacher with amazing qualifications. It's not like they're just basic normal teachers. I mean, of course all teachers are very important, but like I'm just saying that they themselves have achieved so much in their life. So many of them are IITians and doctors even, and they are teaching us. So I think that's like the best thing, because they obviously know what to teach you and what not to. Plus they follow the entire curriculum of NEET, and they just teach you what is actually required and not all the blah 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 stuffs. I mean, all the things which are not really required, because there are so many institutions who just fill you up with those kind of knowledges which are not even that important. And guys, about the notes, there are so many students who are confused how they can take good notes and helpful notes. So literally the teachers, they themselves give you their own notes, and you can literally write them in the classroom. If you want to know how you can do that, you can watch my video. It's up on YouTube. The link will be in the description, of course. The notes which actually helps you, not like simple all the page text paragraphs written at a page, that literally makes no sense at all. Because after a year, when you will start revising all of that, it will be like a pain in your brain for you. So that's why I prefer to make short notes and very clean and clear notes, because I know that this is not the 10th ka exam which will be held after 3 to 4 months. No, this is literally, I have to keep this memory till 2026. So yeah, that is why why I make it very precisely. And the teachers, obviously, they literally tell you how to do it and how to not. So if you really want some good mentorship and guidance, you can obviously buy the batch. It's perfect. Now guys, the prices, I feel like it's negligible. Like in this generation, I mean in this society, I mean, in this period of time where everything is coming in lakhs and lakhs, they are obviously giving you so less for so much. I mean, imagine learning from IITians, doctors, and people who have taken bachelor's and master's degree in something, and they are teaching you at such less price. I think that is too good. So if you are really thinking that इतने कम में इतना हो पाएगा क्या, then trust me, हो पाएगा, because it's physics वाला, anything is possible here. It is indeed very surprising ki how it can be so less, but trust me, it is indeed less but not less efficient, because I have actually learnt my 10th also. I used to watch in 9th as well, like, you know, just one shot, not like proper lectures, but like I used to watch physics wala since 9th grade, and I've never been disappointed in them. Now, a question which so many of you might be having: is it actually, you know, okay to just completely rely on online? Will your selection still be possible if you're just using online? Then guys, thousands of examples are present in front of you guys. Online classes, this mode of education gives you more time for self-study, and for any competitive exam, self-study is the key, guys. And yeah, self-study is what people lack, and that's why they are not able to get selected, because they're not able to use their own brain. They don't get the time to, you know, be creative from their own mind. And online class gives you that time. Since I have only 2 classes a day, I think this will be increased, or maybe, you know, classes will be increased. Like in a week, I have 5 classes, but this will vary, of course, with time. But still, you don't have like 7 hours or 8 hours of pressure like you have in your school. Plus, you know, in schools this happened that first से second period, third period तक तो बहुत मजा आता है. उसके बाद लगता है कि oh my god, now my brain will blast. So I feel like online classes and online education in that field is doing absolutely amazing. You know, in just 1 hour 25 minutes, your entire concepts are over and completed, and then after that you can give yourself time to revise, re-revise everything. Plus the teachers, they motivate you to revise, and they tell you the proper way of revision. So I think it's a win-win situation, because a place where teachers feel like they're actually teaching you. They're not on in just the screen, they're actually in front of you. Well guys, now some very, you know, rapid fire question. First, how to avoid backlogs, because in schools or coachings people will tell you ki haan ye homework karo, but in online class no one is going to pinch you like that, right? But I think at that point you will need to, you know, control yourself. You will need to have a self control over you. Only then you can prevent yourself from backlogs. Second most important thing, please ignore what your people around you are saying about you. If someone says कि भाई एक दिन के लिए तू क्लास नहीं छोड़ सकता क्या, ऐसा, then say no, एक दिन के लिए भी नहीं छोड़ सकता. क्लास के साथ कोई compromise नहीं, okay? No compromise with the class. When the classes are going, you don't have to think about anything else other than that. Of course, some very big emergency if it comes, then online is obviously a very good place, because you have the recorded lecture, you can complete it overnight. But still, remember to pay your compensations if you have taken a break, because I have done that once. I was not able to attend the class for 30 to 40 minutes. So what I did, I attended that class again in the night, because I just did not want to, you know, have a feeling that oh no, यहाँ पे ये छूट गया, वो छूट गया. ऐसा type का कोई feeling you should not have in your mind. Okay, well, so for backlogs you will have to be very strict about your routine and try to complete the homework the day your classes get over. And you know, the best thing is that you have DPPs, so even after a month, if you want to properly revise the chapter that you have studied, you can just solve all the DPPs all together. And that's what I'm going to be doing. If after a month I just want to see if I remember the stuff from chapter 1 or not, then I will just solve all the DPPs. If I will feel like oh, at this place this is lacking, then I'll rewatch that part of the video. You know, that's very simple that way. Plus the app is also very systematic. You get everything at a proper place. Only thing is that sometimes it crashes a lot. By the way, guys, if you want to really know the faculties very well, then there will be a link attached to this video. You can watch it. There will be the qualifications of every teacher and everything. Also, guys, for your feeling of competitiveness, there are tests every month. That is a very good thing, since you always have your contents brushed up and you are actually preparing for something. It feels like an exam kind of situation. And yeah, the entire grading system and everything in the test is based upon what NEET, and if someone is from JEE, yeah, like it will be all same. Suppose if there are 20 questions, then the grading system will work accordingly the way it will in your final examinations as well. So yeah, that is also a thing. Now, guys, talking about some disadvantages, obviously, because it's very important to talk about the pros and the cons. So the first one is online requires a very strong willpower, and if you don't have that, then certainly, of course, you will start missing on a lot, and maybe sometimes you will not be able to understand what the teachers are saying, because some people are not built up like that. Because if someone is understanding very well from the online, that means they have a very good willpower. They are very mentally strong, because when we are studying from online, we have our phone and so many things distracting us. But if someone is actually dedicated, then only they can really go into the online field. And if someone who is not dedicated, then I will tell you guys to have a aim straight up in your mind, and I think at that time you will not get distracted if you will think of that. But for me, I think I'm able to have that level of control, and that's why I feel like online is way better than offline. But most problematic thing of online is this, that there is less guidance, less control over the students, whereas in offline coachings, if you have your coaching from this time to that, then you will not be getting distracted. Although this is just a thing that we say, because agar kisi bachche ko distract hona hoga, if he or she really wants to get distracted, then no force in the world can stop him or her. Okay, so yeah, that is a thing. Maybe in online you will be fearing from the teachers and the embarrassments, but in online you will not. So that is a thing. Second, in physics wala, the DPPs, this is like my biggest concern. Sometimes the solutions which they give, the video solution, it's not really proper, and I feel like, oh my god, I'm not able to understand anything. But then I sometimes rewatch it from anywhere on YouTube, because there are solutions available everywhere. So many of times teachers take the doubt which so many many students have problem with. But yeah, that is a very wrong thing that happens in the app. Sometimes the DPPs have a little bit of error, but yeah, that is manageable, because nothing is totally perfect. But I'll still say that physics wala is like the best platform available, not just because I'm studying from it, but because I've tried each and every platform, and I never felt this sense of comfort with any other platform. Like literally, I've tried the most renowned platforms, but they just broke my heart. Yeah, and the main thing that physics wala teachers have is that they just treat you like your own children, and that is so precious. Everyone calls you beta, babu, aise, like they just teach you like beta aise hota hai, aise hota hai. So that feeling is very important. Like when we were kids, the teacher who used to call us beta, very cute nicknames, we used to feel the most connected with them. Plus they have smart screen, the smart board, so they use various colors, examples, and it is all a better experience for me than my schools or any coaching center. So, even in the online class, you have polls coming, and you just feel very competitive sometimes. You can take it, and trust me, you will not have complaints from me, since it's actually a well-deserving platform. Well, guys, this was it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Yeah, bye. Hey guys, before ending this video, I just wanted to let you know about a very important thing, and that is that while you're buying the batch, please remember to buy the Infinity version, as it contains so many features and almost all the important thing that you require, like free access to upcoming versions, and free access to all the upcoming NEET test series. So these two are the very important features, and eventually you will have to buy it. So why to be in so much of trouble? Let's just simply buy the Infinity batch, and yeah, that's what you can yourself also research, and you'll get to know that the Arjuna Infinity is better than the normal Arjuna NEET, and the Infinity is basically a batch feature. So I'll suggest you to get it, and you can also know more about it. Alak sir himself tells what is so different about Arjuna Infinity.